Hey guys, my name is BrittneyBeatsxo. If you're already a supporter of mine, then thank you so much for coming by. You guys know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And if you are new here, then welcome. This is going to be a piggyback video off of my last video, my last iOffer video. The guys that did watch that video, you guys know I mentioned that I had a purse coming, and the purse is here, guys. I'm talking kind of low because I'm tired. Let me just start there. I'm so tired, guys. It is after midnight here, but I wanted to get this video up for you because it came in the mail and I had a busy day. If you guys enjoy these videos, then let me know. If you are not a fan of these videos, I'm sorry. I do have other videos on my channel that be more of your interest. Just don't bother watching videos like this. Read the title. Don't click it if you don't like it. So these are the Iris Beauty NYC contacts that I'm wearing. I did film a video on these so you can get to know more about these contacts, and I also have a coupon code for you guys. So yeah, so this is the package that came, and let's just get right into it. It came just like this. It's a pretty big package that you guys can see. I'm not going to show you the other side because my address and all that stuff is in it. It feels pretty heavy. Not heavy, but like it feels like medium size. Like, I don't even know what I'm saying. It's late. Don't come for me in the comments telling me not to film this late. I don't even have scissors to open this. I have a pen. So we're just going to open this up. What time is it exactly? It's 12:18 p.m. Like, I should be in somebody's club right now. But I'm on YouTube. I'm not even on YouTube. I'm filming videos for YouTube. Okay, I can't even get this out, guys. I just made this little hole. It's like... okay. It smells like leather. Like, I'm just going to try to squeeze it out. So, let's just pull it. I'm just going to pull it out of this like this. Alright, the struggle was real. Okay, so it comes in this plastic wrap. I can't remember if I ordered the MM or the GM, but it comes just like this. And it has just a little cheap dust bag. Nobody keeps these dust bags. It'll just go in the trash. You guys, I'm so scared to look at this quality. I feel like it's going to suck. It smells like real leather. Right off the bat, there we go. Some stitching. You guys can see that probably, right? Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that string. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, I paid $21 for this, and the quality is not bad at all. Like, I thought this was gonna be like trash, you know, like just complete trash, and it's really not. I'm trying to take this. There we go. Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna, I can't get the plastic off, so I'm just gonna slide it down so I can feel. So these are the straps, and it looks like it's just a tan strap, and it has the red lining on the side there. You can see it's tan. It's a little light tan. So these are the Damier bean ones in the lighter color. Or maybe it's not Damier bean. Maybe, let's just say it's the white checker print one, because I don't know. I'm lying to you guys. I don't know which. Okay, this is not bad. Like, I'm actually not going to be too embarrassed, you know, to carry this outside. So this is the bag. This is definitely the MM size. It's not the GM size. It comes with the little side straps, and it goes all the way down to the bottom on both sides. This one's just up a little bit from in the package. I need to just pull it. So we'll pull that one down too. And it's just a little wrinkly right now from being in the mail and stuff. So this one, like I said, was $21, and I think I definitely did not get scammed. This is pretty good for $21, you know. So this came with it in the inside. It's like a little wristlet. And this part you just clip right into the bag. And it actually works. Like, you just press it in like that. You could put your money in here, all that stuff. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't zip in all the way. I don't know if you guys can see that. It only zippins from here to here. Like, it only zippins from here to here. So let me show you. That's it. Like, so it's just like you can't pull at it, you see? It doesn't open all the way, but it's still going to work out just fine. I mean, it's only $21, so let's see. This is the inside of the bag. It does not have the red inside. The one that has the red inside is the brown checker one, I believe. It has the inside pocket that says Louis Vuitton on it, and a zipper so you can put your things in here too. I think the inside hook, okay, the inside hook is right here. There we go. So I just went ahead and hooked the strap, the little wristlet, onto the bag and put it in there. And this is the bag. Let me show you guys. I feel like the people on YouTube never actually show you guys what it looks like on the arm. So this is the purse. And it hangs, my belly button's here. It's actually a little bit, yeah, it's pretty low, like, yeah. You'll be able to go like this and just reach in and get your phone and stuff out. Like, it'll be really cute. So overall, I do feel like this was pretty good quality for a $21 Louis Vuitton bag on iOffer. The only thing I noticed that I didn't like was the string, but honestly, I'm just going to cut it off. Like, the string is not going to kill me. The straps are pretty good. There are some flaws in the bag that you can see right off the bat. Like, just with the stitching and stuff, it's like a little bit off. You can see that. But honestly, if you're just going to pay 20-something bucks for it, stuff like that shouldn't bother you. That's minor. The bag still looks like it's a good quality bag. I'm going to put probably a pom-pom on this bag. I think a baby pink one would be really cute on this bag. And yeah, so I mean, it's really cute. It says Louis Vuitton on all the spots it's supposed to. It says it there and a few other places. And honestly, it smells like real leather. So, I mean, it's probably not real leather, obviously, but it smells like a good quality leather. So, yeah, I mean, I really like it. So, I will be taking pictures on my Instagram with this bag. I mean, whatever. It's the fake thing. You guys know I'm cheap, and I don't care if it's fake. So, right now, I'm, like, obsessed with iOffer. I go through these phases where I get obsessed with new things on YouTube, and right now, it's definitely iOffer. So, I have a few more iOffer bags coming in, and I'll be reviewing those as soon as they come in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any future video requests, then just leave them down below for me, or if you want to comment or say anything, definitely say it, or forever hold your peace, whatever works. But yeah, so I love you guys so much, and I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye, guys.